Hey there guys, so on this one we're going to review this 2-pack Royal Gold soap pump replacement. So as you can see right here, we do have the top, looks very nice, has that nice gold touch to it. You can spin it around, pump the soap a few times if you need to. Take it off, I mean it's really easy, pretty straightforward, you can see right there. And yeah, overall it's just a great replacement for a pump that you need for any container out there. So highly recommend, looks good in our bathroom. Gives it a nice decor touch to it, and yeah, overall just a great product. Highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this was helpful.